Good evening, all of you. The last explanation about image tag and program not completed, so we'll finish the program. So this is our yesterday's code. First two tags are displaying our local images. For that, we don't need any internet connection because images available in our local system and source code also available in our local system. So no need of any internet connection. But the third one, if you want to execute it, internet connection compulsory. Third image, if you want to display it, internet connection compulsory. Reasons are the live URL, HTTP. So we are accessing the image available in our www server. Internet connection available, then only this step is executing. And these two steps without net connection also it will works. Next. And this is our yesterday's output up to that logic. Next, one more option I'm going to introducing, sir. Image tag is some other options we are going to discussing. So image src equals to images slash try to display some other image. So car.jpg. We're trying to display one car picture with their own size. The own size. I want to customize this size, sir. Use width and height. So width equals to some 500 pixels and height equals to some 350 pixels. You can take your own size, sir. That is not a problem. Now image resizing as per your given measurements. So this is our image. We already discussed yesterday the same option, sir. I'm introducing one more option. It's called as title. Width we know, height we know, and SRC also we know. So next attribute is title. So what is the use of this title, sir? Before explaining, I'll show practically. Go to your Flipkart or Amazon, one of the website. There we have a lot of images here. But here we have watch image and jeans pant available, some juices, juices and madam, so saree also available. You take the mouse pointer, place any of the picture. So many pictures available. You just place any of the picture. What will happen? What happens? I'm just taking the mouse pointer, placing any of the pictures. So what is the reaction of Flipkart? So many times we use it Flipkart. Try to recollect. I'm not going to clicking, sir. I'm not going to clicking. Just a mouse pointer I'm placing on that image, that's all. Highlighted. Any more? On that product, what are the offers available? Offers information displaying in one box. My Flipkart displaying. Maybe you are not observed, I think, sir. So take the mouse pointer, place on the saree from 249 rupees plus extra 10% and madams. Next, boys, jeans, minimum 50% off and maximum 150% off. 150% off available. If you purchase the jeans pant, they are paying opposite money to you. Something here, some articles available, extra 10% off. A box is coming observed. That is called as title. When you place the mouse pointer on any of the image, a small information is comes in light yellow color box. That box is called as the title. So if I place the mouse pointer on this car, sir, a car information I want to display. A small short information, not to 10 paragraphs, just a simple and short information. Here also they're just showing the small information up to 55% off. That's all. If you want to know more information, click on this image, you will get the complete information here. But they're initially displaying only simple information. So you want to provide any additional information about your image, use the title tag. What we are typing here, that one comes in that box. See that. Go to our program, refresh, place the mouse pointer on flowers. Any box? No. Place the mouse pointer on Shiva? Nothing. And dogs? Nothing. Because there we are not implemented title. So get the mouse and place on car. A boxer came. The lifetime, sir. Once if we design the attribute, lifetime. So enter into image, box comes. Again come out of the image, box gone. Again, out, in, out. So how many times your mouse enters into car area, image area, that number of times a box automatically appears. So write a small meaningful message here. That's all. So Elite I-20 Astavo and hatchback car. A small message about the car. The box comes like this. So this is the title attribute purpose. Next one is ALT. The next option is ALT. This is so another attribute of the image, fifth attribute. What is the ALT means, sir? Full form is alternative text. The full form of ALT is alternative text. So what is the use of this alternative text, sir? For any reason, programmer side problem or system side problem, internet problem or server problem, for any reason, image not opens properly or image not loaded properly. At that time, we want to show some message to user. Image not open, please try. Or image not open, refresh the page. A message we want to convey to user. That is called as alternative text. General meaning of alternative? General meaning of alternate. First you have some work or first you have some target. Whenever this is failure, sir, we are thinking about alternative. The first attempt is not success, alternative. Or first something exam is not success, another. So our main and primary target is displaying of the some image. For any reason that image not opens or properly, we want to convey some message to user. A message your choice, sir. Anything we can type. So I'm going to writing some picture, displaying some picture here. Jeep.jpg. So here Jeep picture is displaying. But now image loaded successfully or image opened successfully here. Suppose I'm giving some wrong address or wrong extension or something like that, sir. Image not opens. In place of that image, one small Windows icon it will comes. Where is that? Yesterday we observed now the Windows a small green color icon. The green color icon is going to display. See this? We don't have any picture. But now if you are not conveyed any message, as an internet user, what I'm thinking? As an internet user, what I am thinking? Oh, these are the 4 images only available in this page. As a common man, that is my thought. The page is displaying total 4 images only. But actually developer trying to display 5 images. But 1 image is missing. But that user doesn't know that one. They're just watching these 4 images and exiting the program. One content is missing. So write the alternative here. Image not loaded. So try again. A small message. In place of image, this message is comes. By chance, if image loads successfully, sir, this message automatically disappears. When our image opens successfully, alternative not activated. Image not opens properly, alternative is going to activate it. Last we have some message observed. Now who are accessing this website, who are going to watching this web page, the person also getting idea here something content available but it's not open. Try again in the sense refresh the page or reload the page, your choice. Now back to program. I'm rectifying that mistake, JPG. And refresh the page. Now image opens successfully. Again mistake. Image not open successfully here. So this is alternative purpose. The compulsory we have to use in our real-time applications. Title using or not your choice. But alternative attribute it's mandatory to use in our real-time projects. No sir, without alternative also I'm designing programs, sir. I also designed, sir. Already without alternative 4 images I displayed. But I'm not getting the problem, sir. This minute okay, sir, but tomorrow not okay, day after tomorrow not okay. Some approaches available, the guidelines are systematic approaches. As per the systematic approaches, we have to follow. But browser also not objecting anywhere, sir, without alternative, sir. Browser objecting or not, we don't know, sir. The browser's internal feeling not appears to our eyes. Browser really feeling, sir. Yes, sir. Your code is not proper coding and browser internally feeling. I want to see that message, sir. Open console. In browser internally one secret screen is available, like as your diaries and your personal feelings you are writing in diary, unable to express to others. So taking a diary, writing, I feel like this, I hurted like this, Shivkumar is scolded today, like this. So browser also personal diary available, sir. The diary name is called as console. How to open that console, sir? Press F12 key in our keyboard. Functional keys available, na? That functional keys. Sun is angry, moon is happy. Why? Because sun is missing you and moon is wishing you. Console. So keyboard we have functional keys. Press the F12 functional key. A console is opens. This is error message. అది actually మన fifth image problem. Fifth image not loaded properly కదా. That error message is this: failed to load the resource because file not found. What are the file we given here? What are the file we given here? This file browser trying to load, but it's not identified that, so error is comes here. The error, a last image. Next, total how many images we displayed except that error? 4 images. In that 4 images, back to this, 3 count available. Observe, sir, here. In console, we have some 3 count. The error messages list, and this is the warnings list or some suggestions list, a blue color icon. So click on this blue color icon. Image must have an alternative text L. 3 messages. 3 times it displaying that one, means I executed 3 times. Your image tag alternative option missing, so please implement that one. The browser suggestion. We are feeling our code is proper, but internally browser not feeling that one. What we are thinking, sir, image displaying my program success, but browser not feeling like that. Image displaying okay, but way of coding is not okay. So internally you have the suggestions from the browser. If you did any mistakes like this, errors comes in red color, suggestions comes in blue color. So in this one, image must have alternative text. Element has no title attributes. Very matter. So executing every program is not correct, sir. Output producing every program is not correct. Outputs producing, but program correct, sir. No idea. Testers will decide that one. Not you, not me. The tester should decide that one. Like that, some small testing is performed by your browser also here. And sometimes it is giving the suggestions also like that. Here something is missing, you have to add this one. That is called as the standards. So whenever you want to display, go for alternative text, compulsory as per the guidelines. Second one, title. Okay, now I implemented alternative text, there is no problem. So these are the 4 options available along with your image tag. SRC maintains the location of your image and name of the image, width of the image, height of the image, title of the image, and alternative text of the image. You can also use all 5 attributes at a time, sir, in the same tag. There is no objections. We are learning one by one attribute. So learning time is separately only it will comes. After completion of all this explanation, if anybody you are interested, we can display some image like this. SRC images slash a.jpg, width equals to something, height equals to something, and title equals to something, and ALT equals to something, and close this image. Use every attribute in the same time, no problem. Original coding only. But all attributes learning, explaining at a time is not possible. So we are splitting that one and using one by one. At last you have to design like this. And next I'm moving to the another tag, another HTML tag, and very important tag also, that one, anchor tag, or HTML name justification tag. Hypertext. Hypertext is nothing but an anchor tags. So what is the use of this anchor tag and how to use this anchor tag, sir? That I'm going to explaining now. So heading is hyperlink, but we are working with anchor tag only. Tag name is A, sir. Name of the tag is A. Full form of the A, anchor. Anchor means, sir, Kapil Sharma, Anasuya, Rashmika, sir, Rashmiya, Sumaka, Jansi auntie, these all are anchors only. Anchors all these. So, correct. That anchor, this anchor concept same. Why we are calling those are anchors, sir? Why we are calling those are anchors? Any idea? Kapil Sharma Nogada, very famous. He's also anchor for so many programs. Telugu aithe boys you know very well kada. Why anchor? Anchor means indirectly they are hosting something. Anchor is nothing but their representation of something. Something incident or occasion or event or something is going on. This total event is going to organizing by this person. So he is the representation of this one. But what is that, sir? Maybe game show, or maybe songs competition, or maybe dance competition, or maybe audio release function, or video release function, or something. Anchor tags also same. Anchor. It is representing that page. Every anchor tag is representing next page. When you click on that anchor tags immediately the next page is going to opens. Not same page. Next page is going to opens. So what are the hyperlinks or what are the anchor tags we are designing? Every anchor tag is representing of some other page. That's why this is also called as anchor tag only. So tag name A, full form is anchor. Purpose is to create hyperlinks. Purpose is to create hyperlinks. What is the use of hyperlinks? Sorry. What is the use of hyperlinks, sir? Hyperlinks are used to navigate from one web page to another web page. Nowadays, if you open any website, sir, moving from one page to another page is a common point. Clicking, next page opens. Clicking, next page opens. Clicking, next page opens. This is called as navigation system. The navigations we can perform by using the hyperlinks. Simple concept. And the navigation while moving of the one page to another page, the both pages should be present in the same website, sir. No, sir, that rule is not available. 70% of the scenarios, both pages available in the same project or same website. Or 30% scenario, the first page available in one project, second page available in another project. No chance available. How, sir? With Facebook, you are getting some ads. Amazon sale ad, Prime, Flipkart sales ad. Facebook post coming, right? It's actually the Facebook page. But when you click on here, you are jumping to Amazon page, or you are moving to Flipkart page. But from where to where you will travel? Facebook page to Flipkart page we travel. Both are same projects, sir? On the same websites, sir? No. When you received one mail, sir, what is mail? Some so-and-so vacancies available. So next month interviews are going to conducting. So coming 28th, applying last date. A Naukri is dropped a mail to you. A mail you are opening in Naukri in Gmail. The mail where you are watching and where you are reading. In Gmail only. Details available. Job profile, company profile, description. One small link available. What is that? Click here to apply. What is that, sir? Anchor tag. Click here to apply. That is also anchor tag. When I click on that, we are flying to Russia. We are flying to Russia for participating in war. No. So your Gmail website, you are moving to directly the Monster who dropped the mail, Monster services, sir. Directly Monster website is going to opens. So these are the different pages. There is some special scenarios, but most of the cases we are moving within the same website only. So within the same websites, sir, different websites, sir, whatever it may be, sir, all are hyperlinks. and that hyperlinks created component is called as the anchor tags. Tag name anchor, hyperlink is element. I already explained HTML tags, HTML elements, both looking like same but difference available, and I clearly explained few days back. Before execution is a tag. After execution, what we are watching on the web page, those all are the elements. Hyperlink is not a tag. Hyperlink is a element. That element is designed by the anchor tag. That element was designed by the anchor tag. Next, we have the small picture here. See that one, sir. Just an idea. We are moving from this page to that page. This is my HTML program, my current program. My current program contains the so many hyperlinks, and every hyperlink I map it to some web program, internally coding available. So when I click on that one, sir, it calling a HTML program, HTML to HTML moving. Or we can also call a servlet program, advanced Java. Or we can also call it a ASP.NET program, .NET. And you can also call it as a PHP program. We can also call it as a Node.js program. We can also call it as a Python's Django program or Flask program also. So every clicker is trying to make a call to the next program. Who is the next program, sir? Any of the web technology. Non-web technology is not supported, sir. Only web technology. I want to call C program, sir. No. C program, no chance. I want to call some PLSQL programs, sir. No, because those are the non-technologies, non-web technologies. Can I call one core Java programmer, sir? No chance, because core Java is also non-web technology. Advanced Java programs we can call servlet and JSP we can call. Spring program also we can call MAC program. So HTML is a basically web technology, right? HTML is able to make the calls to another web technology program only. Web technology to web technology communication. Non-web technology is directly not possible. HTML web technology and non-web technology. Database gada, I forget I think. HTML database. Huh? Database is HTML. Yes, yeah. 2 days back, which month is running? Day before yesterday. Today? HTML also database. Say yes or no confidently. Confidence. I confident. Yes, sir. Huh? What is HTML? Database, programming language, markup language. Web technologies, non-web technologies. Sure, huh? Okay. So HTML is a one web technology and it is making call to another web technology by using hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are created by the anchor tag. Any special procedure or systematic approach available, sir? No, sir. Almost like as your images only. Last example, image address we designed kada. Same place, which program you want to call, the program address required. That's all. Image addresses are replaced with the program address. Almost the same procedure. This is the first part of the. So this is the first part of the anchor tag, sir. And the second part, sir. Files also we can access, sir. Programs completed. Now files. Files means that. But image program or file? Image. File. Audio program or file? Songs, your MP3 songs. Files. So programs different to files different in our computers. Programs are executable and showing the results. Files are non-executable, it directly openable. We can open, that's all. Again, executing calculation results are not possible. So PDF file, MS Word file, zip file, audio file, video files, not programs. These files also we can access through hyperlinks only. And you are using also. Recently you started HTML practicing. For that you downloaded one editor. Or you downloaded any editor for practicing of programs or not? You are clicking lastly download, na? That is also hyperlink only. Download Visual Studio or download Edit Plus or download Notepad++. A download option available, you are clicking on that option, then downloads is going to start. The downloading is also hyperlink only. When if you go for AHA, Oho, Hotstar, Burning Star, Firing Star, some websites available for online songs playing and movies playing. Got a movies list available. A movies list is also hyperlinks. Those all are hyperlinks. Next, we have some Savan, Geo Savan or Raga, Lahari, something, audio files. A list of audio songs also hyperlinks only. Like that, hyperlinks is so many scenarios we are using in our programming. Calling of other programs plus accessing of the normal files also. Next, just for awareness, I'm explaining, sir. Basically, fundamentally, hyperlinks are displaying with this color. It has some rounded you were given. This is the appearance of the hyperlinks. So basic color of the hyperlinks by default blue color. But daily we are getting the black color, sir. Regular tags black color comes, sir. Hyperlinks blue color it will comes by default color. I don't like blue, sir. You can change by using CSS. So blue color, hand symbol, underline. Name displaying with the blue color. Bottom of that name underline is available already. Whenever the mouse pointer comes onto that one, normal arrow key changing into a hand symbol like this. You actually see this symbol so many cases together. This is hyperlink representation. So whenever you got this hand symbol, sir, that is hyperlink. It is symbolic interval. The corona before sentence how it will come. So anchor tag recognition sentence. Blue color, underline and hand pressing symbol. But so many websites this we are not observed and we are not watched, sir. Reasons available, sir. Most of developers they are customizing that one. Somebody underlines not interested, removing that one. Somebody blue color not interested, changing the colors. So every website to website, hyperlinks appearance is going to changing. Observe this one. The Google's home page. At the bottom we have a list of languages and that all are hyperlinks only. Hyperlinks. Blue color is there. Go hand to underline. Blue color, hand underline. Hyperlinks. When I click on this one, sir, now Google is opens in Telugu version page. Telugu version page opening means, sir, Telugu version program is executing, that output you are going to getting. That is generally meaning. Telugu version opening in the sense. నేను అదృష్టశాలి ఈ భాషల్లో అందుబాటులో ఉంది తెలుగు back to English, sir. I'm feeling lucky Google offered in the so and so languages. So these are the hyperlinks. When you click on this hyperlink, background some program is executing, web programming and changing the appearance of your web page or opening the next page. A blue underline hand symbol. But some other websites, sir, suppose Amazon, the different format it will comes hyperlinks. The best sellers, mobiles, customer services, today deals available. Those all are hyperlinks and anchor tags. But not looking like that, sir. So attractively they design. Okay, hand symbol. Underline removed. In place of underline, they're displaying the box. Blue color in place, white color and background gray color they're displaying. So purely all these are hyperlinks come anchor tags. How much effectively you want to present that anchor tag, that depends upon your CSS attributes knowledge. But basic hyperlinks comes like this. And the next one, this is the behavior, sir. It's a inline tag and a parent tag. Anchor tag is the inline and also parent tag. Opening, closing compulsory plus all anchor tags come side by side by default. Both websites you observe get all side by side available. Inline. And that last syntax. This is syntax. Anchor tag followed by anchor tag supporting attributes. And this is your hypertext display text. Nothing but an hypertext and anchor tag is close. The first syntax. Second syntax, anchor tag followed by some attributes. And we can also use image, your previous topic. Image and anchor tag is closed. What is the difference between the first syntax and second syntax, sir? First one is text-based hyperlinks, sir. Second one is image-based hyperlinks. Both we know. Again example your Amazon only. Sometimes when you click on the image also next page opens or not? The second syntax, that one. Sometimes a product picture available, mobile image available. When you click on this mobile image, a mobile space is going to opens. The second syntax. But Google we observed together, Google is first syntax. Both we are using in our regular programming life, sir. With theoretical part of the hyperlinks. Now we'll go for the programming. First programming, I'm going to showing how to call other programs. Programs I'll explain first, then files I'll explain. So anchor tag. This is anchor tag opening and closing. Just we started the tag and we closed the tag. Between these we can type some text, sir. The text is displaying on the browser. You are going to clicking on the text or you are going to pressing on the text. Or you just watch in the Telugu English a language you have to type here. So Telugu. Not the Telugu displaying on the browser. Or sometimes, sir, mobiles are going to displaying on the browser. Or sometimes, sir, contact us. Sometimes, sir, download is going to displaying on the screen. But now users going to clicking on the download word. Then they should be starts the downloading operation. So what we have to type here, sir, some readable text to easy understandable text to users. Not for you, not for me, for users understanding purpose. Because we are the developers, we can understand anything, but users are not developers. I'm writing a simple message, sir. Open example sum 6. Our previous examples I'm just reopening. Currently I'm working on example 11. From example 11 to example 6 I'm jumping. Run once up to this. So this is hypertext. Open example 6. But whenever I click on this one, sir, I should be open example 6. How to write that information, sir? In anchor tag, we have one attribute. It's called as href. In anchor tag, we have one attribute. That attribute name is called as href. Hyper reference. We already used it here, observed. In link tag, we have same attribute, hyper reference. Hyper references generally they're accepting URLs. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. And your destination page or your next program URL they're expecting. So how to type that URL, sir? We are in currently local system, sir. We can type directly like this. Example6.html. Actual typing style, sir. Actual typing style is this. Originally. But example 6, example 11. Current program, example 11. What we are going to calling, sir? Example 6. Both are available in same folder or different folders, sir? Same folder. So complete address required? Not required. We can go for the shortcut address like this. Because the caller program called program. Who is the caller? In these two programs, who is the caller? Example 11 is caller. Who is called program? Example 6. So caller program, called program, both are in the same location. You have direct communication. You can directly talk. No, sir, caller in Hyderabad, called in Bangalore, sir. Address required. Both are in Hyderabad, we don't need any address. Both are in same place, you can directly write like this. The matter. Working, sir, 100% working. Link activated now. Underline is available. Some different blue color is there. And this is the hand symbol. See that hand symbol. Now if I click on here, sir, your previous example 6 is going to open. Same example. Attributes example. Attributes example. Okay, I'll change the program number 4. Click here, sir. Example number 4 is opens. Logo setting and title example. Logo setting and title example. Any program we can call it, sir. I want to call all programs, sir. Very good. Textbooks index page available here. Academic textbooks index page. Like that, create one index page here. Change the program numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like as our textbooks index page. So whenever you click on the link, a corresponding program is open, just showing the output. All hyperlinks, 8 hyperlinks. All links come side by side. All links comes in the side by side because of inline tag. Because of inline tags. So which program you want to see, click on that link. The example 3, formatting tags example. Strong in the italic underline something. Example 1, heading tags. Example 2, paragraphs. Example 3, example 4, logo icon setting. Example 5, HTML operators. Example 6, HTML attributes. Example 7, CSS attributes. Example 8, inline CSS. Implementing CSS in inline mode. So all links are working together perfectly. Next, what to do, sir? All are calling HTML programs, sir. Yes. But as per explanation, I said you can call any other programs. Servlet program, JSP, PHP, something. Can I call it as, sir? Why not, sir? 100% possible. But some links I'm deleting, sir. Awareness, we got it together. Only single link I'm maintaining, that's all. Example 2. Okay. Second one, sir. I want to call one PHP program. But we don't know PHP. What to do, sir? You don't need to develop. So many websites available. Some websites developed in PHP also. Identify that location right here. Live link. Yesterday live image we displayed here. Now live link I'm going to display. Example, sir. Facebook. I want to open the Facebook page. So http://www.facebook.com/login.php. Facebook main documentation coming from PHP only. Database MySQL, main technology PHP, supporting technologies Java and Python. But primary technology PHP only. Daily you are opening Facebook login page kada. A login page program name is login.php. A PHP program result. So I designed the complete URL of that one. Now when you click on the second link, it opens automatically Facebook login page. This one. So which program we call? PHP program we call. One of the server side technology. So a HTML can call HTML, a HTML can call other web technology. But first link to second link, what is difference? First link to second link, what is the difference? Anybody? First link both HTML, so second link one HTML, one PHP. That I already explained. Another. Location different, yes. In first link, both programs in the same location. But second link, example 11 available in our hard disk in our folder, but login.php available in Facebook server. So other location programs also we called with a valid URL. URL is valid. We can move from anywhere to anywhere in the universe. No restrictions, no limitations. Browser checking this address correct. Yes. Jump. Enjoy. Simple. Next one. Yes, sir. Second link, if you want to work it, internet connection compulsory. Because of the live link, no? It's a live link, internet connection compulsory. Next, these two are the text-based links, right? We have the text message here. When you click on the text message, it opens. Now I want to create image-based links like as Flipkart product, so Amazon product. Product name, product picture display. When you click on the picture, the products are going to exploring. So possible, sir? Yes, sir. This is also live link only. Anchor tag, href equals to something, the mobiles heading. I want to list out all the mobiles and their offers available in Amazon. In Amazon, what are the mobiles available? What are the offers available? A page I want to open it. But Amazon already developed a web page. Try to identify the URL and copy here. Amazon's mobiles offer page I want to open it, sir. That is my requirement with Amazon. Mobiles किधर है? Either mobiles. So click on these mobiles. We'll get the mobile space, right? This page I want to open. Directly this page. But what to do, sir? If page address available in your here address available. What are the page you are watching currently? The page address URL available in browser address bar. So select this one, copy it. Paste here. That's all. This is also live link. It is also calling one server-side program only. It is also calling one server-side program, web technology. When I click on the mobiles, it's going to executing the program available in http www.amazon.in/mobilephones/b. It is something. I don't know meaning of that one because I am not developer of the Amazon. One developer coding is understanding by another developer is very torture process and horrible process. So meaning I don't know, sir. That is URL that I know. 1359 is available, sir. I want to know the meaning, sir. Please contact the Amazon. Customer care number available. Make a call to customer care number and you can ask that one. So overall meaning of this one, I want to execute some program available in Amazon project. The program should display the list of mobiles offers. It's a live link also. Click on this link. Amazon mobile space opens directly. Not opened, huh? Open. My question mark face is seeing. The text based. We already created the two text based. But mobile's place, can I show the mobile picture, sir? The image based links means that one. Instead of the English word mobiles, I want to display mobile image only. Now user easily clicking on that or pressing that mobile, same operation comes. What is the image? Image, those all are. If I click this image, what happens? Next page is open, sir. And that is image based link. A headphones, earphones page is opens. Same thing I want to do. So currently text I am deleting, image I am going to placing here. IMG tag. Observe now one tag inside we are using the another tag. Anchor tag inside I am using a image tag. It's a special, sir. Nothing special, sir. HTML inside I used header tag. Header tag inside I used title tag. We already following the procedure. One tag inside using another tag. It's a routine process in our HTML. Nothing special. Which image you want to display? Write that image address clearly here. Images slash. We have image picture, sir. Mobile picture is available in yellow color. This I am going to writing mob.png. Close this. Now run. A picture. Word not available directly. Word there is no English word. Instead of English word, directly picture comes. So can I press the picture, sir? Why not? Your mobiles are going to display. Text replaced with image. Link as easily working. So many websites we are seeing this type of things, sir. We are using also these type of things. But some websites image bottom again text also available, sir. So take the small line break operation here. Mobiles, text plus image both comes. Text available, image available. On which one you want to click it, that your interest. If you click on image, if you click on text, destination is same only. Amazon's mobile space only. Destination, your traveling location. These are the basic hyperlinks designing, sir. These are the basic hyperlinks designing coding. So two text-based links, one image-based links. Next, I'm introducing one more option here in anchor tags. Option name is target. Target. So what is this target, sir? Before explaining, go to the previous example. The current example, previous in the sense. This is our current example. This is our browser, sir. Once observe this, this is our browser. In browser currently, how many tabs are available? T-A-B, tabs. How many is there? Sound here. In browser, how many tabs are available currently? Could you loudly say? One tab. Sure, huh? 1 10 1 no. In that one tab, our program is opened already, right? If I want to open another website, sir, generally we are taking the next tab. Na? How to get the next tab, sir? Plus symbol is available. When you click on this plus symbol, second tab comes. Again plus symbol, again plus symbol. So right now, how many tabs are into? 4 tabs are available, right? We'll now see this one. So currently we have one tab. Any visibility problem is there? I'm just zooming. Currently we have one tab. Click any of these three links, open. Still how many tabs? One only, back. Second link, Facebook. Still one tab only, same tab, back. Third one, mobiles. Still one tab. But every link is open the next page on the same tab only. Where we are working on the same tab, it's going to overlapping the positions like this. Example 11 available. When you click the links in example 11, next program is overlapping on example 11. Next link is overlapping on this one. Our notebooks pages, you are moving the pages in notebook. But page 1 you are reading, completed sir. You are rotating with finger. Page 2 comes, completed sir. But page 2 replacing on page 1 or not? Means overlapping or not? Confirm. So same way our web page is also moving like that only. So if you create any number of links, every next page is always opening in the same tab only. But I want to open in the next tab, sir, or something separately, sir. For that we are using the target. To set the target of the destination program means where you want to open the next page, a location we are going to specifying. How to mention that one, sir? So target equals to one is underscore self. It's a default option. By default it's available, sir. That's why self in the sense myself within the same tab. Already your links all are working with the option of the self only. The self we can replace with underscore blank. That also we can replace with parent. That also we can replace with frame name. So these are the main 4 options available in target. Self is by default, sir. We don't need to write it. Already we executed program 3-4 times. So that is working with the self only. What about the blank, sir? A blank means it opens in the separate tab. Your current program already opened in the first tab. When you click on the link, next page opens in the second tab. That is called as blank. Blank in the sense new or fresh tab, not in the same. Parent means, sir, the future we are designing the web pages in blocks wise. Future web pages we are going to designing the blocks. My point of view, partitions we are doing. Partitions, cutting the web page like as a cake pieces and matter. But we have some number of partitions on my page, or number of partitions on my document available. Partitions available, blocks available. But your next page, you can open any of this partition. Your next page, you can open any of this block. Possibility is there. A block name specifying is the frame name. Which block name you mentioned, your next page opens in that block of your current program. Example, sir, it's a big room, open hall. It is single room, right? But now this room I am dividing the partitions like this, or 3-4 partitions. But now when I click on the hyperlink, sir, second page I want to open in the second partition. Not in the total page, second partition I want to open it. A frame name is going to helping that one. If I want to use that option, first I should divide the page into blocks. But we don't know how to design the blocks, sir. The upcoming concepts, sir, that days I'll explain that option. Now we are discussing frames is one of the topic of HTML. Future we are discussing, currently giving the small information. Frame name, it helps to open your destination program, your second program in the particular area of the current page only. Okay. Particular area of the current page only. See this one. This is our web page full screen. If I click here, sir, second page opens in the full page of the next page. Next separate pages comes. But here we have a lot of space here. This space divided as a one block, one partition. When you click on the first link, sir, a page opens in this gap. You are not moving to separate page. Within your page, you are going to opening or displaying the second page also. Possibilities there. Example, online tutorials available. W3 schools, YouTube or Rubber Tube or Java Tea Point, Java Coffee Point. available. Left side what we have? Index available, topics list, right? You selected some subject, sir. HTML only selected. Whenever you select this HTML subject, left side generally what will get in the browser? A HTML topics list is comes. If I click on any topic, explanation where it is opens? Next page, next tab, next window, na? No, kada? In same page, right corner is opens, kada? Same page, right side it is opens, all your explanations. Not watched, Oh, tutorials you don't know, na? Abba, yes, sir. Huh? Daily you are watching one tutorial, especially one reason, comparison. Shivakumar what explained here in website what we have for comparison purpose. Somebody may be additional things, anything available apart from the Shivakumar explanations. Plus some so and so reasons, so 2 days once, so 3 days once, so everybody you are going to opening some of the website. Which website I don't know, right? Guarantee. So content available, a topics list available. When you click on the topics list, explanation example is comes. But explanation example, we are not moving or traveling to anywhere. In the same program, one corner it is going to explaining that one. And the frames concept to blocks concept. Next ones are parent. I want to open over all these blocks, sir. Already page divided in the number of blocks. But I don't want to open any of this block. As per the previous program requirement, page divided into the blocks. But the next page, I want to open top of all these blocks, sir. But then that situation, we are going to using the parent option. Maybe you are thinking, sir, why you are dividing the blocks, why you are going to. The situation is demanding, sir, like that. Always displaying the data in the same way, it's not possible. Different scenarios, different ways of data presentations. So these two linked to blocks concept. Currently I'm unable to show. Self already default option. It's working already. Blank we can work currently. Amazon concept available. Target equals to underscore blank. Mobiles list I'm opening in separate tab. List of mobiles are opens in separate tab. Check the tabs list. This is self by default, sir. Second also by default self and within the same tab. Third one, mobile I'm clicking. Another tab is opens here. Your program available in first tab. Amazon opens in the second tab. Again, if I click it, sir, every time it opens the mobiles list in separate tab without overlapping. It is generally processed. Next, sir, separate tab, okay. Same tab also okay. Separate browser is possible, sir. A separate browser window I want to open it. Not this browser. Open fresh Edge browser and show the data in that fresh web browser, Edge browser or Google Chrome browser. Possible, sir. While clicking on this link, hold the shift key in the keyboard. Shift key is there now. Hold the shift and click on this link. What happened? Separate window or separate browser. You can use in your regular websites also. With the Amazon website, if I click mobile, sir, it also opens in same mobile tab. See that one. It also opens in same tab. Now while clicking on the mobiles, try to hold the shift key. Amazon also opens in the separate window. Hyperlink always opens the next pages in same tab. Same tab with overlapping of the previous pages. You don't want to overlap. You want to open always in the fresh page. Go for the blank. And I want to open separate window, sir. So that code not required, sir. Just use the shift key and click on that one. Simple thing. Here I shown 3 links, sir. Like that you can create any number of links and you can call different programs, whatever it may be. Your programs you can access, live programs also you can access, no problem. Only the required is href equals to, we should write the proper address and proper URL. The program's calling process. Next to files accessing. Second part is there now, files, audio files, video files, something like that. Now, what I'm going to showing in example, the live situations we'll see here. So go to Edit Plus or Notepad++, whatever it may be. Got a download Notepad++ 8.0, 8.3 is available here. If I click here, sir, downloads pages comes. Got a different formats of downloading available. Got a installer is there now. This is hyperlink. Hyperlink. If I click on here, sir, installation file is downloading. And a setup file is going to downloading. If I click on here, right side downloaded already. So hyperlink is helping to download the softwares. Like that, if you go for any movies websites, sir, so these are the list of movies available. I want to play some of this video or some of this audio, sir. You just click on that one. It is also hyperlink only. A hyperlink, this is also. No, sir, we are not believing, sir. I got a hand symbol available. Observe, Amma. Hand symbol observe na Jai Balaya. Hand symbol ante obviously it's a hyperlink. Of course, they added some graphic also, animation also. But currently our concept is not animation, hyperlink. If I click on here, a play mode screen is going to opens. Then we have the option watch it or something here. The first selection of the movie is hyperlink. Selection of the song is also hyperlink only. These are the hyperlinks second angle, another angle. Now I'm going to preparing the same style of links in my program also. I want to create 4 to 5 hyperlinks. One for accessing of the PDF files. In websites, PDF files also very famous. Your tutorials, documentations. If you go for the Google, sir, HTML tutorials download, you will get so many websites. In that websites, your total explanations, PDF file download available or PDF file opening is also available. So how to access the PDF files by using hyperlinks, sir? Possible, same procedure. MS Word files, GIF files, like GIF and compressed files. Next, audio songs, video songs, all these things. We have to do one small thing before writing the program. Which files you want to allow to download the users? A file should be maintained in our project. I don't have any software. How am I allowing the users to download the software? A software file should be maintained in your project folder compulsory. But yesterday we displayed images, sir. How? Images we downloaded and copied it our folder. Like that, which software you want to allow the downloads, which PDFs you want to allow to download, which MS Word file you want to allow to download, which song you want to play, which audio you want to play, video you want to play. gather all these files, maintain inside your folder. Compulsory. Compulsory, sir. So where the source code available, resources also available in the same place, compulsory. And I'm copying these all the files from another batch folder, sir. A files folder is available. That files folder I'm copy pasting into our folder. Yesterday we created images folder, and today another subfolder, another subdirectory, that is the files. In these files, what we have, sir? One PDF file, one audio file, one video file, one MS Word document, one Visual Studio software downloading. This software setup file, audio, HTML program, video, and PDF files. All files are gathered and maintained in our project. Now write the hyperlinks for these files. Recorded classes. Yes, madam, recorded classes. It's not live classes, recorded classes. Href equals to recorded classes. Sorry, files. First I'm going to writing PDF file, abc.pdf. Where, sir? In files folder. Subfolder I created. /abc.pdf. Well, again I'm explaining one point, sir. Original address like this. Original address like this. But half address matching other for our program and PDF program. A half address I'm deleting, balance half I'm writing. The PDF. But what we have to write, sir? Open PDF file or no, open something. But instead of open PDF file, I'm writing reasonable and live situation of your websites. If any website or some job notifications, government or other company, they're providing click here to apply. No? That is, I'm also writing here. Click here to apply. Job, okay. Click here to apply job. And I apply into marriage also we can apply. Kada. Divorce also we can apply. Kada. The message, go and check it. This is click here to apply. If I click here, sir, your PDF file is opens. PDF file opens first. If you are interested, you can download. Option available, download option. Next, line break. I'll show all links at a time. First, we'll finish the code. So files / HTML-YS1, there's something available, wait. MS Word files are our HTML documentation. This is MS Word file, DOCX. HTML documentation, part 1. This I already uploaded in our Google Classroom link also. What I'm writing here, sir? HTML document, display text. If I click on that HTML document, sir, MS Word file directly downloads, sir. Automatically downloads. You don't need to write separate logic. It's automatically downloads. Why, sir? PDF file is opening, MS Word file is downloading, sir. Today Wednesday, that's why. It is simple thing, sir. Editors are available or some softwares are available, but every software is allowing to open certain type of files only, right? In MS Word, can I open the PPT file? No. In PPT, can I open the Excel sheet? Already I have Excel sheet, batches list is available. That Excel sheet I want to open inside the PowerPoint, sir. No. So for every software allowing the specific type of extensions only, right? But browser allowing to open the PDF files. Browsers allowing to watch the movies and browser allowing to play the audios also. But browser inside, we never open the MS Word documents and PPT files and Excel sheets. Browser not compatible for that one. So which file is not compatible to me, not compatible for me, those files I'm directly downloading. That is the thing. Separate logic is not required. If the file is openable, I'll open it. The file is not openable by this browser, sir. It is forcing to download the file. Automatic download is going on. Next to one more link. Anchor tag href equals to, once again, files slash Visual Studio software download link I'm providing here. .exe. Software's installations files, anybody can you open in browser, sir? I have jdk.exe file, oracle.exe file, or Visual Studio.exe file, antivirus.exe setup files. Can I open in browser? Any software setup files open in browser? Possible? 100% not possible, sir. Browsers are going to opening setup files. Impossible. That's why you are downloading automatically. When you click on that link, installation file downloading, because I'm unable to open that file. Then second option, allow to download. So here also the same procedure. Download Visual Studio Code. Next one, play the song. So anchor tag href equals to, once again, files slash a song name, something available, mp3, close, play song or play audio, whatever it may be, and play video. Play audio, play video. File names required. All file links ready, sir. Now check it. Links ready. So first click on the first link, sir. PDF file is opens. Apply online. Otherwise, here we have the save option in last corner. Last corner save option is available. It's downloading that one. You can save into your system. Application form. Next, back MS document, HTML notes. So browsers generally not supposed to open the document files. So obviously it's forcing to downloads. Observe the right top corner, download box is comes. Download, done. Next, Visual Studio Code, sir, downloading. Downloaded. Downloaded. Next, the songs downloading, no, sir, directly playing that one. Your song, now video is playing. You can watch video, but again sound not comes. Full screen mode is also comes, no problem. We have full screen mode and as well as picture in play is option also available inbuilt here. And we can also control the play speed as inbuilt options all are. You got a song playing there, you can continue your activities here. Picture in play we have in WhatsApp gather, that option. That our HTML tag also supported that. Again, if you want to listen that song, audible, not audible. Song name, Mukka Mukka Mukka. This is the second angle of the anchor tags. Files plus programs, both they can manage. Balance things we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.